All your India students, once again Maqbool Islam is in front of you. Today we have a new exponential equation for you. So 64 exponent of x minus 1 plus 64 exponent of x minus 1 is equal to 1. How we calculate the value of x is unknown. So look here, when base are same and their exponent are same, so we add their coefficients, and here coefficient is of each term is 1 and here is also 1. So 64 exponent of x minus 1 we are taking common, 1 plus 1 is remaining. Now we add this term, 2 into 64 x exponent of minus 1 is equal to 1. Now dividing both sides by 2, this term is divided. We try to finish this x minus 1, 1 by 2, 2 are cancelled. So now 64 exponent of x minus 1 is equal to, we can write 2 exponent of minus 1. Now we can write 64 factorization, we are taking factorization, and so we can get 2 exponent of 6 x minus 1 is equal to 2 exponent of minus 1. According to the double exponent rule, we can apply in here x exponent of m whole exponent of n is equal to x m n. So now we can apply this term, 2 exponent of 6x minus 6 is equal to 2 exponent of 1. So, and bases are same, we are compare their coefficient, their power or exponent. 6x minus 6 is equal to minus 1. We transfer this result, 6x is equal to minus 1 plus 6 is equal to 5. Now dividing both sides by 6, we get 5 divided by 6, both are cancelled, x is equal to 5 over 6. Now we want to verify our answer is correct. Checking the result of this one, check. So in place of 64 exponent of x minus 1, we replace 5 by 6 minus 1 plus, and 64 5 by 6 minus 1 is equal to 1 is the question mark for us. So now we can simplify this term, 64 and here is 6, 5 minus 6, we take the LCM of their power also, and here 64 we take also LCM in here, 5 minus 6 is the question mark is 1. Now we get in here 64 minus 1 by 6 plus, and 64 minus 1 by 6 is question mark is 1. Now for 2 exponent of 6 whole exponent of minus 1 over 6 plus 2 exponent of 6 whole exponent of minus 1 over 6 is the question mark is 1. Now both are cancelled to each other, 2 exponent of minus 1 and 2 exponent of minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is question mark is 1. Taking LCM 2, 1 plus 1 is question mark is 1. So this will be equal to 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Both are equal. 1 is equal to 1. So our solution is correct. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.